Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Shamwari Private Game Reserve Wildlife Rehabilitation Centre. We rehabilitate any wild animal that is sick, injured or orphaned throughout the entire Eastern Cape province. We specialise in hands-off rehabilitation with a main goal of releasing all of our animals back into the wild. The rehabilitation process of an animal is a very long and sophisticated program. It starts off at our wildlife hospital, where we have a dedicated vet who mainly specialises on all the medical work. Once he's finished with them, we start them on an intensive care program. This can be anything from feeding an animal every 2 hours straight through the night to monitoring drips, temperature and just their overall well-being. After they've graduated from intensive care, we place them into an outside enclosure. Here they will spend a couple of months where we finish up with their milk program. Once we've finished with their milk program, we put them into their final stage of rehab, which is called our pre-release camp. It's about an 18-hectare enclosure, fenced off from Shamwari, where they can become fully independent wild animals without us feeding or monitoring them on a daily basis. This way, they can become wild animals without having unfortunate encounters with predators yet. After we've seen that they have completed their journey in the pre-release camp, we do the final release back into the wild. So throughout their rehab journey, we feel it is very important to pair each and every patient with a companion animal. So usually we make use of other rehab animals currently finishing up with their program. But often we're not lucky enough, so we make use of farm animals if need be. Sheep, donkeys, goats, you name it. We love using sheep, pair them up with anything from a hippo to an elephant to even a rhino. Just as long as that animal has a companion, we know that mentally they are healthy and happy. And we always say happy animals are healthy animals. We offer a helping hand to any wild animals in need of our help, completely free of charge, because we don't want money to limit the amount of animals we physically can help. So each and every guest staying per night at Shamwari indirectly contributes to our facility to allow us to help any wild animal in need of our help. We specialise in hands-off rehabilitation, meaning we never touch, pet or play with any of our animals. Our enclosures were designed specifically to increase natural behaviour and also allow them privacy and natural vegetation within their enclosure, kind of to give them the real taste of what's to come. This is a very rewarding job. It takes a lot of after hours, a lot of patience. It is definitely not your normal job. It becomes more a lifestyle than anything else. When you are responsible for an animal's well-being, you do whatever it takes to make sure that they have a good chance of survival. Our guests view our animals from behind viewing decks as a measure to make sure our animals do not habituate to humans. It is not guaranteed that each and every guest can see all of our animals throughout one visit to our facility. If they want privacy, we give them their privacy. We might not see any animals, but that is the idea and the concept of hands-off rehabilitation. We prepare them for the wildlife, and to successfully release them after they finish their program, we have to know that they are as wild as possible.